Hi guys, my name is Will Richards and I have teamed up with TalkHome. The reason being, we are reconnecting people we haven't spoken to for a long time, loved ones, families, friends, anything like that. And today we're starting off with Fun Show. So Fun Show, welcome to the chat room.
Hello.
Hey Fun Show, how are you?
I'm good, how are you doing?
Very good, thank you. You look amazing. I don't know, you must have, the lighting's on point, is it? Is it the perfect?
I'm right next to a window.
Obviously you understand that we're here because we're reconnecting you to somebody. Who is that person that we're reconnecting you to?
So my friend Chris, I met him when I was in LA. I went to like a convention and we really clicked and it was amazing. He's super charismatic and super thoughtful guy. But basically he lives in Texas and I'm in London. Yeah, so there's a big ocean in between us.
We've teamed up with TalkHome. We're going to reconnect you. So without further ado, let's bring Chris into the chat room.
Girl!
Hey.
Where have you been?
In a different country.
Girl, you're so beautiful. The fact that you're smiling, you actually have a smile on your face. You know how long it's been since you could do that regularly? Like,
Who is it that you want us to reconnect you with?
Well, it's one of my old high school buddies. Well, actually, it was before high school. Like, it was crazy because his name's Stuart. We used to play baseball. That's how I met him on the league. But the funniest thing is he actually lived on my neighborhood, and that's how we actually became friends because we got along on the baseball field, and I didn't think I was gonna see him. And then within that same week, I saw him he lived on the same street, like 2 houses down.
Wow. And so when was the last time you actually physically saw each other?
I'm 30 now, so that was when I was like 15, 16 years ago.
That's crazy. So you haven't actually seen each other in 15, nearly 16 years?
No.
What we'd like to do right now is reconnect you with your old dearest friend, Stuart.
Right now, you could.
Right now.
Hey.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What time to see?
You still look the same. I mean, your hair's not as curly, but you still look the same. You got a little bit of 5 o'clock shadow now too.
Back in the day, me and Chris used to have YouTube channels and we'd do YouTube. And so it was like, what was it, 2016?
yeah.
Yeah. We both went to this thing called VidCon in Los Angeles.
Okay, yeah.
Which is a huge convention for like YouTubers, aspiring YouTubers and all of that.
Yeah.
Since then, neither of us do YouTube anymore.
I low-key have tried to stalk her social media just a little bit, just because I'm like, I just want to make sure she's okay. You know, I just want to make sure everything's good. And yeah. Sorry.
You guys haven't seen this so long. Are you still playing baseball now?
Yeah. Yes, we did. Honestly, those are like some of my favorite memories. It was a creative outlet for me, really, because Justin and I had a synergy in baseball that I never had with anyone else in any other sport that I ever played.
Let's say you can meet each other. What are you going to be doing?
Eating.
Okay.
And crying, probably.
Crying into our food.
Yeah.
Like happy tears.
Guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for reconnecting with TalkHome. So yeah, without further ado, guys, I'm going to wave at you two and hopefully you can wave back and we'll all say goodbye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Remember, you take turns and go in the bathroom and sing. Did you turn that into anything? Because before you left, you're like, yeah, man, I'm going to be a singer.
You never think to yourself, oh, I can sing. You know, you sing in the shower.
Do you guys remember what the song was?
Was it a Yellow Card song?
It was either that or it was Lighthouse.
Oh, okay. I think it was You and Me by Lighthouse.
Yeah, it was You and Me. Yeah, it was You and Me by Lighthouse. That's what it was.
You know what I'm going to ask you next?
What is it?
I've never heard the song.
You've never heard You and Me by Lighthouse?
Would you please, both of you, give me a rendition? I love that.
'Cause it's you and me, and all of
All of the people,
nothing
nothing to do, nothing to lose.
Of course I know that song. I just wanted you to sing it.
I appreciate this experience, Will. Thank you for this.
No problem at all. Thanks to TalkHome for sorting it out. And yeah, have a great day, guys. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Thank you.
My name is Annabelle Regalado Borja. I'm a Filipina, meaning I was born in the Philippines, but we migrated here in Australia since 2012.
Right, your sister also moved away from the Philippines and she's gone, where did she go?
Actually, in the family, she was the first one who moved out of the country. Yeah, that was 2001 when finally she got married to my Finn brother-in-law.
Who have you got family-wise back in the Philippines?
All my siblings are there, and my mom is there. Yeah. My mom unfortunately got a stroke back in 2014. So there was a moment in my life also that I have to go back to the Philippines and leave my family, leave my kids and my husband here in Australia, and so that I can attend to my mom.
So we've got obviously a little bit of a surprise for you. We want you with Leilani right now.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
You have that floral thing in there.
It's summer in here. It's winter in there.
Sorry.
When was the last time you guys connected?
She surprised me for my birthday last year. I was really very, very happy.
I've been living abroad, living far away from my family for the past 19 years. It's like every time I take care of somebody else, somebody I don't really know, somebody who's not connected to me, I keep on thinking, how's my family doing? Who's taking care of them?
If there's anything that you could say to perhaps like your mother Edith now, what would you say?
My mom's situation at the moment, it was a massive stroke. She can't speak. She can hear us, but she can't speak. So every time we keep in touch, I know she could hear us. If there's something I'd like to say to Mommy, we're here. We're here. We're safe. We're far away, but don't worry about us. We can take care of ourselves.
Well, Leilani, that's beautiful, and
Yeah.
we've got a surprise for you.
Hi, Kuya Bernard.
Hey, hi, how are you both?
Hi. Hi, Mommy.
He's
Hi,
awake.
Mommy.
Yeah,
Is Mommy awake?
yeah, she's awake.
Mommy awake?
Mommy! There you go. Well, that's her mother. Mommy Edith.
Hi, Mommy. Are you okay? Kuya Bernard, how's Mommy today?
Okay.
How's Mommy today?
Okay. Actually, when I left very early in the morning at around 3:30 early in the morning going to work, she was awake. She was crying from time to time, always wondering what's on her mind. Is she in pain? Is she missing so many things? Special persons, you, Annabelle, Kuya Michael, Tiffany, Kuya Carl. The COVID-19 pandemic, well, it's not helping the situation. It's been difficult, but we are doing our best.
Mommy.
It's winter in Australia. Dito naman, here in Finland, it's very warm. So it's very different. It's very different. Mommy, I have my voice back. I think I can sing better this time. I think. I'll send you some songs sometime again. During your birthday, the sound quality wasn't too good. I'm sorry, but then I'll sing more for you someday.
Leilani,
Yeah.
please feel free to do that now. You know, don't worry about it.
Okay, this is one of Mommy's favorite songs, okay? When I fall in love, it will be forever, or I'll never fall in love. Mommy, hopefully that's better, huh? Hopefully that was better. Mommy, you liked it, Mommy?
There are tears. She's misty-eyed right now.
Oh,
Oh, Mommy. Oh, yeah, Mommy didn't cry. That's an indication she liked the song. Because if she didn't like it, she will cry. My mom, she doesn't necessarily play any instrument or anything, but these songs that I've learned at a very early age, so that's why even if they're old, they stay in the heart and they remain forever. So if there's something I'd like to give to our mom every now and then, it's they're the songs that she loves.
I knew I'd be reconnecting people. I knew it would get emotional, but it's just so nice to see such a pure and beautiful family can see each other and speak to each other across the world.
Especially with our time differences, like Australia 7 hours at this time, Philippines 5 hours, and then work schedules. It's not that easy really. And then of course with mommy's waking moments and everything, it's not that easy.
Well, thank you all, Bernard, Leilani, Annabelle, obviously your mother Edith and Eden as well. Thank you so much, and thank you TalkHome for putting you guys back together to have a chat. It's beautiful. More importantly, thank you for letting me be part of it.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this opportunity you've given us.
Okay, guys, well, that's a wrap. I've been Will Richards. Thank you so much to TalkHome. It was fantastic to help reconnect some people. Guys, if you want to reach out and reconnect with people, download the TalkHome app. And if you would like to see more videos and be part of them, drop us a comment below. Thanks very much.